Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You position your picking hand now, thumb over the pick, fingers relaxed. Place the fleshy edge of your palm just behind the bridge saddle so strings are muted when you lower your hand. 0. 5 to 1 centimeter contact is a good start. Pick a simple open low E string and rest the palm weight lightly, then strike slowly to hear the muffled tone. Practice muting without pressing hard because the goal is damping, not stopping string vibration outright. Once it feels steady, increase pick attack gradually to control sustain. Now you integrate palm muting into rhythm playing. Use downstrokes for tight, percussive chugs and alternate pick for faster passages. Keep the palm anchored and let wrist motion drive the pick. For riffs, mute the lower strings while allowing higher strings to ring so chords retain clarity. Change palm pressure to shift tone. More pressure equals shorter, chunkier sound. Less pressure yields breathier sustain. Practice slow metronome patterns, then speed up. Make sure to listen and adjust until each note's length matches the groove. Finish your lines by deliberately rolling your palm off the bridge to release notes and create musical phrasing. This lets sustained tones ring and adds expression. Use softer attacks and pick angle changes for dynamics, and combine muted chugs with open notes for contrast. If you hear unwanted buzz or dead notes, move the palm 1 to 2 millimeters toward or away from the bridge, or slightly alter pressure. Small shifts make big differences. If problems persist, check saddle height and string gauge. Thicker strings mute differently than lighter ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.